Okay, so I'm on my way to go go order pizza because you can't order it through the phone. So yeah, we're gonna see if this theory is true about the pizza being uneven. I really never noticed that, to be honest. I always go. So yeah, let's go. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I have my favorite Pepsi.
What's up guys, welcome back.
Okay, so today we're gonna be doing the top 4 fast food pizza challenge. I have one surprise, but you have to stay till the end of this video or it's gonna be next video. It's one of those, alright? We went to 4 different places. We went to Domino's, Papa John's,
Little Caesars, and Pizza Hut.
Yes sir. And altogether we spent like $60, right?
Around that.
Yeah.
The cheapest one though, by far, is Papa John's. But see, I was thinking, I was looking at it. Regular price is $10.38 though, and it has a $4.38 discount in it.
Yeah.
So that's why I brought it down to $6.50. Same price of a Little Caesars though. It's pretty cool.
Yeah. We got medium-sized pizzas because I mean it's just, you know, this challenge. So we're gonna be choosing which is the best, and whatever we don't finish, we're planning on giving to, like, you know, homeless or.
We'll see what we're gonna do. We're not gonna waste it for sure.
No, we're not. But yeah, let's get this video started.
Let's get it started. Pizza Hut is gonna be the lightest, to be honest, by far. Yeah. I don't know, it's so weird because we were like picking them up and I'm like, dude, this is so light.
It is really light, and like the heaviest one is Papa John's. It's so heavy.
Papa John. Yeah. That's a thick crust.
But this is the smallest pizza so far.
Yeah, it is the smallest box.
Yeah. Alright. We have our favorite Coca-Cola.
By the way, all these pizzas only sell Pepsi, which is weird. And I think Domino's is the only one that sells Coca-Cola.
We're not sure for that, but
I think, well, every time we stepped to the store, it was Pepsi everywhere, so.
yeah.
Shout out to Domino's, hold it down for Coca-Cola. I don't like Pepsi that much.
Oh wait, yeah, me either. But yeah, let's get started. So we got pepperoni, just regular, you know, pepperoni pizza. No additional cheese, no, you know, stuffed crust. Just, you know, regular, like, to give them a shot, you know?
That's it.
Yeah. So we're gonna try Domino's first. This is Domino's pizza. Alright. Oh, it smells so good. I'm ready. Okay.
Let's see.
So good. Plus we haven't eaten. So good. Baby, I thought one bite.
This is good.
Yeah. I like. So good.
What do you rate it? 1 to 10? I'm an 8. No, a 7.
It's so good.
7 though.
I like that it's like, you know, it's not too thin. Well, it's not thin, you know, it's regular. I like the crust, like how.
This is actually tastes a lot better than the Domino's pizza I had before. It's been a few years though, but this is a lot better though. I have to say, it's really good.
Yeah, so good.
It's been a while, probably a couple years.
I've only tried it once because my brother loves to order this.
Hey, check this out. They give you garlic butter, they give you cheese, they give you hot peppers, and they give you this, what do you call it? Like a bell type of pepper. That's pretty cool, man. Never seen that before.
Yeah, me either. Alright. This pizza looks, I don't know. It's pretty good. The garlic butter.
Oh, dude, that smells good.
You gonna have it?
Well, maybe.
Okay.
Well, just drip it in.
First without it, and then with it.
Alright. It smells different, for sure.
More cheesy. I'll taste a lot of cheese.
It's different, for sure.
It's good though.
I don't know if I like it or I don't.
Me too. Me either. I don't know if I like it or I don't. I just love pizza.
Here. They give you this for a reason. Let's try it. A lot better. Now I'm kind of liking it. I need to have a little more because
Babe.
it's weird. Hold on.
I gotta drink Coke.
Without the butter, it just tastes like any other pizza.
Like you could just make it
It's
yourself.
not special. It tastes like, but with the butter on, it's a lot better. I'm gonna give it a 6.
Me too. I'm gonna give it a 6 too. It's pretty good.
We got Little Caesars.
Little Caesars. Okay,
Whoa.
this pizza is like
It's huge.
huge. It's so different compared to everything else, right? Like I don't know.
I'm gonna
Alright.
take a slice. This is the biggest one.
My favorite thing of them is the crazy bread. But we're not here to talk about crazy bread. We should try the breads.
That's one thing. So much tomato. Always. It's like you taste the tomato first, and then you get to the cheese, pepperoni. I mean, that's cool. I'm not complaining. It's just
I mean, what pizza doesn't taste good? But I mean, you do taste a lot of tomato sauce. I rate it a 5.
I'm gonna give it a 6.
Not my favorite. I mean,
For the money, this is good.
yeah. Actually, I would actually give Papa John's for the money. Because you get the butter, you get the, I don't know. Pizza Hut.
Whoa.
So small. That's like a small pizza. Okay.
I asked for 1 pack of each and they gave me like 10 of each, so that's cool.
Alright.
me
Right,
have some
but it
Coke.
feels so. It feels
This
so
is
crispy.
soft. This is by far my favorite. We always get Pizza Hut.
We always get Pizza Hut, no matter what. Yeah.
Let's see.
We taste a little bit more grease on this one, right?
Butter.
Butter, grease, whatever.
Dude, this is it. This is my 10. I'm serious. This is like best pizza.
Yeah.
I think I got it. I can rate the pizza.
Me too.
Okay, so we're gonna rate the pizzas. Alright, 1 by 1.
Okay.
So, alright. So, 3, 2, 1.
Pizza Hut. Second one,
3, 2, 1.
Domino's. Third one,
3, 2, 1. Little
Papa
Caesars.
John's. Why?
I don't know. Little Caesars is better.
I don't know.
I mean, look, I'm going by flavor wise and size and everything. I mean, Little Caesars, man, for the price and everything. It's also the cheapest one. I like it.
Well, yeah, okay. And then last one for me is Little Caesars, and yours is
Papa John's.
Papa John's.
They're all really good, guys. It's just preferences.
Yeah. Okay. So remember how we told you that you have to stay tuned for the surprise pizza?
So there's this thing on YouTube, right? They're talking about chocolate cheese, saying how
Well, Shane Dawson was the one who brought it up, like the whole theory. And yeah, when I saw it, I was like, oh shit.
I
This
don't
makes
think
sense.
I don't think it's true. We have the box. By the way, it took them 30 minutes. You can't call and order pizza. You have to show up to the store and place your order, and it will take about 30 minutes. and very expensive. How much was it?
$15 for a medium size.
Yeah.
But I mean, the box is huge. I'm not sure.
Yeah, we haven't opened it yet. You guys are gonna be the first one to see it with us. My opinion is it's gonna look like just like any other pizza. There's gonna be no size difference or anything like that. That's the whole deal. They think that they're using old pizza or leftovers, and then they'll bake it with other pieces and sell it to you as a brand new pizza, which sounds.
It makes
weird.
sense because I don't know. That kind of, I don't know. You have to bring it over.
You have to see if there's actually a big difference in size though. So.
Wait. Alright.
Let's see what you got, chocolate cheese. Are you stealing our money?
I know.
Alright, you see it. I'm not even. Go, open it.
Okay, close. One.
Go.
2. Wait. 1,
2, 3.
This actually looks pretty even. Biggie was a big ass box for a small ass pizza.
What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Look at the size of the pizza, bro.
For $15.
But hold on.
Wait.
Hold on. Okay, well, all the.
Well, I mean, maybe because.
Wait. Look. This is bigger than that one.
No, but like, it looks all even.
No, but look, this piece is bigger than that one. Have you seen that?
Come on, I gotta show them. I'm not sure, babe.
Alright, look, I'm gonna push it in. Okay, let's see. Look, they don't even. Look at the size, and look at the size.
Yeah.
But again,
Like they won't even close. I don't know.
but
I don't know. Oh yeah, look at this. The difference between this one and this one.
with the bread.
I'm not sure. This is so confusing.
Alright,
This one connected.
connects to this. It doesn't connect to this though. Look at this. Like, how will you?
And then connected to this one. I don't know. Cause it looks so spread out. I don't know. That's so weird.
Look at this one. I mean, it's so pushed in. Hold on. You have to see by the back. See if they cook the same. I don't know.
I don't know.
Can you guys see that though? Big ass box for this. For
I know.
$15. No, I'll never buy this again. Look at it, just pushed in. Look. Yeah, they definitely cut it there. But see, I'm not saying that. They probably what they do is they probably add cheese over the pieces and more pepperoni, and then they put it back in the oven.
Maybe.
Anyways, we gotta try it though.
Yeah. Okay.
It smells really good
More
too.
pizza? Get the small one.
The pepperoni is so strong. It tastes old.
And this is the last one we got basically.
Dude.
Wow.
Okay, check this out. Put your slice back. Okay. You gotta get the camera for this.
I don't know, but I rate this pizza already.
It's a fucking 3. It don't. I mean, it tastes like pizza. If you're there for a party, whatever, you can't say no to pizza. But for the money, it just don't taste good, man. The cheese looks like it's a freaking. I don't know.
I don't know. I wouldn't get this either. It's too expensive for it.
We were thinking that it was gonna be the size of the box, by the way.
I know. They tricked us.
Wow.
But I mean, we did order a medium size pizza. But
We know somebody that will eat it for sure. Alex, where you at?
but anyways, this is actually below Little Caesars.
Below Papa John's. But see, we gotta do one more thing though. Let's try Domino's and Pizza Hut.
Yeah.
I gotta give it a try
too.
because
Come on.
we gotta see though. Because
I'm gonna taste Domino's.
It's Pizza Hut. Something about Pizza Hut, man.
You still haven't tasted Domino's.
It's like, I don't want to taste it anymore. See guys, their pepperoni is not burnt.
They're both very unique, that's why. But they're both buttery.
Check this out. If you're Mexican and you tried chorizo before, this Domino's tastes like chorizo. The pepperoni tastes so much like chorizo. Seriously. Like,
Really?
the taste of it, yes. That's why I like it. I don't know. And this tastes more like pepperoni.
It's so good though. Both of them are so good. I think we're gonna keep these two. He's gonna get the garlic.
Let's see if they go good together.
Because you needed it. Because this one just plain like, it just tastes like plain cheese, plain pepperoni.
Try it.
See, they knew they made something missing on their pizza.
And did I change your mind? Which one will you choose first though?
Shit, I don't know. I think I'm tired now. This one, I like Domino's because it has that, what is it called? The greediness. Babe. I'm not sure. But it has that little greedy thing. The greedy thing. And the bread is like thicker. And
It smells good.
it smells really good. It just tastes good. And Pizza Hut, the bread's thin. I don't know. They're just both very different, but they both taste so good. But yeah, let's see. I think I'll choose Pizza Hut and then Domino's. Keep it the same. What about you?
Yeah, Pizza Hut, Domino's, Little Caesars, Papa John's, and way the fuck down. Somewhere where you can't imagine. Down there somewhere. It's chocolate cheese.
Yeah,
I'll probably choose any frozen pizza over chocolate cheese.
If you guys want us to try frozen pizza, just let us know in the comments down below. Or if you want us to try anything, just let us know in the comments down below. We'll be
doing it.
Yeah, we'll be doing
Those are
it.
good challenges.
Yeah.
But for now, guys, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Share this video with all your friends and family. And, you know, we're growing, we're getting there. It's a lot of new stuff coming in. Pretty cool stuff. And we'll see you guys in the next video.
We'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Later.
Bye.